ready to unlock the power of Twilio without drowning in lines of code. This video is your express ticket to leveraging Twilio's communication magic using low-code and no-code solutions. We're diving into accessible tools that let you implement SMS, voice, and other communication features, even if you're not a programming wizard. First up, let's explore Twilio Studio. Twilio's visual builder. Imagine a drag-and-drop canvas where you can create communication workflows. You can use pre-built widgets for sending SMS, making phone calls, collecting user input, and more. Simply connect these widgets to define the flow of your communication. Next, discover the power of integrations. Platforms like Zapier and Integromat act as bridges, connecting Twilio to hundreds of other applications without writing a single line of code. For example, you can automatically send an SMS when a new lead is added to your CRM, or trigger a phone call when a customer submits a support ticket. Another great option are website builders. Many website builders offer plugins or add-ins that integrate directly with Twilio. This allows you to embed SMS opt-in forms, enable callback features, or send automated notifications directly from your website, all without coding. By using these no-code and low-code solutions, you'll enjoy faster implementation, easier usability, and reduced reliance on technical expertise. You can start communicating with your audience today.